Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable match with PC players on Mecha Break. So let's say, for instance, if you'd like to play with PC players on your console, you can simply enable this feature and that will pair you with PC players. Or if you'd like to play with Xbox players only or your console players only, you can simply disable this feature and it will be limited to only people with the same console. So to enable or disable this feature, all you have to do is open the game on your console and sign into your account and get to this home page, and then select the menu option at the bottom right corner. And then from here, simply select settings, and then within the settings, select other. Here it is, select it, and then you should see this option, match with PC players. So by default, it's set to on. So if you'd like to disable it, simply use any of the arrows, or you can use the left or the right D-pad button on your controller and select off, and that will disable this feature. However, if you'd like to match with PC players, you can use the left or right D-pad button and select on, and that will allow you to match with PC players. Once you're done, simply exit the settings and the changes should be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.